This is Jana and Noni. We're going to make stuffed zucchini blossom. These are a delicacy. They're used for appetizer. We're going to begin making the stuffing. Okay? We have a pound of ricotta right here. Jana's going to mix it. We have 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 pound of Parmesan cheese, and about 4 slices of prosciutto, thinly sliced and chopped.
That's not good.
Okay. And I'm going to chop this very, very fine. So let's just begin the stuffing process. Putting the flowers into the hot oil gently. They're going to take about 2 minutes on each side. And have a plate ready with paper towel to soak up the excess oil. And here we are, they're ready to eat. Enjoy. Bon appetit.